This is my new dog training collar set from My Pet Command. It's a really nice set with two collars. Each collar has a separate color collar, which is pretty nice. Each of the units are rechargeable. They have their own power button. They also have lights that you can turn on with the remote here. That allows you to identify your dogs when they're out. It comes with instructions here to show you everything, but quickly. There's a power button on the side to turn it on. There's a channel. You can flop back and forth between channels. You have a button at the top here which locks and unlocks the shock number. You can go through the ranges of numbers there. Pick the one you want for each collar, and then you can lock that out so it won't change. You can flip back and forth between collars easily. And you have the vibrate, you have tone. These are both momentary. And then you can send a light out, turn the light on or off on each collar as an indicator. And then if you need to, you have momentary. You can see by the indicator up here, momentary or long-term shock. So this will have long range. You can easily jump back and forth between collars, and it's easily adjustable from one hand. This has a lanyard. It also has a belt clip. I want to thank My Pet Connection for sending us this to check out. High quality, 2 dog training collar set. Hope this helps.